plate tectonics. The Earth has multiple layers, and the topmost part is the crust. It is 6 to 80 kilometers big. Then comes the mantle and the outer and inner core. So the crust. And this crust is moving a little bit. Over the past 200 million years, it has moved completely almost around the Earth. It is around a centimeter per year. And the book isn't saying directly why it is happening, but the heat inside has a convection movement which lets the plates to drift. Whatever that means now. Now, they are moving a bit. 200 million years ago, they were more together, all the continents, and now they've drifted apart. And that continues. Africa and South America are going apart, and Europe and North America going apart, India and Asia coming together, and on the other side, the Philippine plate and the Pacific plate going together in Southeast Asia and Japan, where then earthquakes can be. And there are different types of this movement. There can be now destructive, where the plates going together. And when there can be subduction, one plate goes then down. And there can be earthquakes, there can be volcanoes and new mountains as well, because one is on top of it. And there can be constructive, where the plates going apart and new magma comes up and forms a new plate. And there can be also collision, where they're going together and forming new mountains, and conservative, the plates are going just to sides, which can also then cause earthquakes. And there can be then new rock formed. Igneous rock, that is mountain magma which has cooled down. Underneath the earth it is then called granite, and over the earth it becomes then granite, and basalt over the earth. Or sedimentary rock under pressure formed. Sandstone, for example, sand together. Chalk and limestone that were millions of sea creatures, were shells of it then over millions of years. Or other things through metamorphic rocks. There can, for example, chalk and limestone form then through heat and pressure to marble. And that is according to Geography by Jane Ferretti and Brian Gressley on the page 4 and 5. The positions of views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own, or with the ones of the entities brought.